Alright guys, welcome back to GCom channel. So yeah, we have another product from Fanttik that we will be unboxing, and let's see what is inside. But not just one, two. Yeah, I have two of these to review. One of these is going to be a cutter, and we have a cordless drill. I want to believe that Fanttik actually positioned themselves to be the guy to go to if you need some minor repair or minor DIY. I think they have a lot of gadgets that can help you get it done fast. That is battery powered. Going back to my channel, you will understand I have a couple of their products that I did review, and I promise that anytime I see anything that can help you or help you get by easily, I'll bring it to you. So this is one of those products that I would like us to, look into. We're going to open this up, rip it off, and let's see what is inside. Alright, so this is Fanttik R100 Pro. This is a quick cutter cordless electric scissors. This one have a 3-speed adjustment. You have HQ display at the back. Then this is going to be giving you 230 RPM. In rotation speed, you have 6.5 mm cutting depth. That's how much this can cut. You can cut different type of materials with this. But let's go. So you have the electric scissors, you have charging cable, you have your charger, you have 3 blades that come with this. You have your blade replacement key, you have storage bag, then user manual. If you care to know, this product is made in China, and battery capacity is 2000 milliamp hour. Then the cutting depth, like I say, 6.5, which is 1/4 inch. This is 3.7 volts, and you get a charger of 5 volts. The smell, we normally buy a Dunlop slippers back then, and this is the smell you get from that. I mean, I don't know if you remember, but if you've been there before, you know what I mean by Dunlop slippers. Exactly the same smell. Alright, so this is the machine. This is the cutter or scissors, and since they call these scissors, I want to believe this may be a very useful tool for fashion designer. But I'm going to put that to test and see how this can cut fabric. Alright, so let's look at the feature. At the bottom part of the machine, that's where you have your charger. That's USB-C, and if you look at this, it's a knob that you can twist that will give you variable speed. So you have 3 speed. At this side you have a button, and I believe that is going to be like what you press before you let it, because it's more or less like a safety switch. Alright, so if you press the trigger, this is not going to work. You have to press the safety switch first, then you press the trigger, and you can leave it. Alright, so at the back you have the LED that will display your battery level. It's going to give you, this is eco, and I have 99%. Looking at the front, you have LED, more or less like if you're walking in somewhere that is not well lit. That will help you see what you're doing. Here, there's also a guide just to prevent accidental cut, but I'm not sure if that is kind of, I don't know. But it's right there. You have the blade already installed, and that's everything. Alright, where I think this is going to be useful primarily is going to be for cutting fabric. Like I said, I'm going to be testing that. Another area I think this will be useful in the house is if you want to cut cardboard, or probably you have a large cardboard you want to recycle, it's too big for your garbage, then you can cut it down. There's not a lot of information right here, but I'm not going to advise that you cut anything more than fabric. Don't cut anything metal with this thing. I'm going to try just one layer of fabric. Let's see. Let's try a couple of thickness. Let's see if this is going to cut through. All right. All right. Work fine. Cut it out. So you can cut plastic with this, but that is going to depend on the thickness of that plastic. And you can cut fabric, that's for sure. Maybe 1 or 2 layers of fabric. This will go through without any problem. And I believe you can cut cardboard with this. Very easy to cut cardboard with this. Depend on the thickness also. So you just have to be aware of the thickness. So if I'm going to recommend this, like I said, this product is not going to be for intense job. So now, what do I think of this product? I think I want to put this into more tests before I can recommend this to if you're a fashion designer or tailoring. I just need to test it more just to be sure if this is something I can recommend for you to replace your scissors. And if you want to see that video, I'm going to put it in my tailoring channel. If it's something you would like to see, I'll put the link in the description box below. You can go and check it out there. I'm going to have the video right in there, okay? I will recommend this for you if only you are going to use it for light duty. Mere looking at the blade alone, that will actually tell you that this is not meant to do anything intense or something that is really, really hard. This is meant to cut anything that is light duty. Alright, so that's everything about this cutter or scissors, but that's all you can get from this. But for me, aside from cutting fabric, I don't think I need much of this. But just so you know, if you're thinking about this, it's available already. You can get it online or go to their website and get one, or you probably go to Costco and get one of these. Alright, that is if you need it. So that's all about this, and that's going to be it for me on this one, and I hope I catch you on the next one. Bye bye.